Hello MoxieLash fam, it's your girl Bianca. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this simple makeup look, perfect for the holidays, and I'm going to be featuring one of our new lashes, so stick with me because it's going to be pretty easy. Right, so first I'm going to go in with my concealer. I love to use these all over my lid to make sure the eyeshadow and liner does not crease. You can take your brush or just your fingers like I'm doing right now, and I like to tap this into place. Now I'm going to go in with some translucent powder. I'm going to take a little bit, I'm going to top off the excess, and I'm gonna set that pre-base in place. And this is a very important step because it's gonna help you with everything you put on top of your lids to go on smoother. Also, it's gonna stop those oils from coming on throughout the day. Next, I'm gonna be using this light cool shade right here, and as you guys can see, I love to use this shade a lot. So I am gonna take a little bit of this, top of the excess, and I'm going to be applying these on my lid, and I will be blending everything up to the crease, and I'm gonna keep building the color as I go. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this brown shade with a flat brush, and I'm gonna map out my liner. This is an optional step. You actually don't have to do this, but I personally prefer do this before applying my liner. I feel like it gives that perfect touch of smokiness to the eyes as well. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of the brown shade really close to my bottom lash line. This is gonna define your eyes a little bit. All right, so moving on to my favorite part, which is lashes and liner. I'm gonna be using my MoxieLash Liquid Magnetic Liner in the shade black. There's a brown shade available, but today I'm feeling the black. All I'm gonna do is align across my lash line. You can do a wing if you prefer that, but I usually go with a simple line. So I'm just gonna shake my liner first. I'm going to remove the excess of product on the rim, and I always like to apply 2 layers. Right, so now that my liner is on, I'm gonna let that dry for 2 minutes, and I'm just gonna apply a nude liner on my waterline, and then I'm gonna apply mascara to allow that liner to dry. Right, so before applying the lashes, you wanna make sure that the liner is fully dry. So all you gotta do is touch that liner with your fingers, and if nothing comes off, then you know that you can pop your lashes on. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to apply my lashes, and I'm gonna present you our new beautiful Flirty Lash. Look how beautiful this Faux Mink lash is. Absolutely love this lash. Has 5 magnets on the lash band, and it looks like real mink. So I'm gonna apply these lashes on, and you guys are gonna fall in love because these are absolutely beautiful. And I always like to look down straight to the mirror, and look how easy that is, you guys. Like, lashes on. Right, so now I'm gonna go closer so you guys can appreciate the lashes in a better way. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. Hope you guys loved that and can recreate it as well. Don't forget that you can get your Flirty Lash at MoxieLash.com, and I will see you until the next time. Besitos.